Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art. I am Angela and today I am working on this beautiful painting. Again, I want to go ahead and embellish it with different things. So I want to use this dark blue and also use my my gold. So basically what I'm going to do is I am going to make like a triangle in the middle and then paint it gold, and then I'll go back in and make some circles and paint them blue. So yeah, so let's get started guys, and thank you so much for being here. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe so you can get notifications. Once you subscribe, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can get notifications every time I upload new videos. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and get started here. I am not going to spend a lot of time on this painting. Let's just make sure that the lighting is good here. All right, so as you can see, just gonna make like I said, triangle with this posca pen. Too big? No, it's not too big. Okay. Yeah, let's go ahead and make some circles, different size. And again, as always, I will link the video to this painting, the original background painting that I'm using, down below, so you guys can see how I made it. I'm gonna use some of this gold, guys. I'm gonna use some of this gold. See how beautiful it is. Put a little bit. This is actually a much better gold than the posca pen. here's the final painting. I actually ended up adding like a nice little line of blue as well, so that we have blue and gold. So there we go. Beautiful. See how easy you can take a painting and just change it to a whole different painting. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the process, and thank you for being here. Now go ahead and show you how it looks when it's on the wall. Okay. Okay guys, here's the painting on the wall, and as I had mentioned in the beginning, I think I had said that I will put like a different color in the middle of my circles, but I ended up changing my mind because I think that would have been way too much, and it would have taken away the, you know, the background design. I just wanted it to look like it was one piece painting with some embellishment. So that's why I didn't add the color in the middle, like in between the circles, because as you can see the design, like right over here, you can see the design is still coming through. Everything is coming through. Just looks really nice that way with the background design intact. What do you guys think? Leave a comment. Let me know. Let me know if you like my choice of color that I used. I stayed in the color palette of the background painting. So yeah, that's what we have, guys. Thank you for being here. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Share with your friends and family, like, comment, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.